Hi, and welcome to Queensland X-Ray. You're probably watching this video as you've been referred to us for a PET CT scan. We often use this kind of scan to help evaluate certain medical conditions, to plan your care, or to assess your response to a particular treatment. Before you come for your scan, there's a few important things we might need you to do, such as only eating certain foods or fasting altogether. It's very important you follow these instructions, as they can influence the results of your scan. But don't worry, one of our friendly team will talk you through your specific requirements when you make your booking. Another thing we'll need to talk to you about before your appointment is pricing. While some scans are bulk billed, we may need to ask you to leave a deposit to hold your appointment time. This is because the radioactive tracer we use to capture the scan is quite expensive and must be ordered specifically for your appointment time, as they expire within a matter of hours. If you think you might not be able to make your appointment, please contact us at least one day before. When you arrive for your scan, one of our friendly team members will ask you to complete a consent form to help us understand your medical history, what medications you're on, and any allergies you may have. This will help us ensure that nothing is done that might cause unintended consequences. So it's really important you provide us with as much information as possible at this early stage. Now, you can head through for your scan. We'll need to change you into a gown and remove any metallic jewellery you're wearing. A nurse will help get you comfortable in a special private shielded room and insert an IV cannula into your arm. Don't worry, this won't hurt much at all. The nurse will then leave the room and the radioactive tracer will be administered remotely by a specially trained team member called a nuclear medicine technologist. You'll now be left in this room for around 1 hour. It's really important you stay calm and relaxed and keep as still as possible, so your body absorbs the tracer as accurately as possible. After this time, we'll come and get you and take you into the scanning room. This scan should only take around 20 to 30 minutes. It's actually pretty fascinating how a PET scanner works. In the same way that satellites can find a GPS signal on the Earth, the scanner can find the signal from a radioactive tracer. The radioactive tracers are designed to bind with specific cells in the body after administration. Once bound to the target cell, the scanner can measure the signal coming from those cells. This can be used to assess the extent of disease and how active a disease process is. With the added benefit of a high-resolution CT scan, an accurate assessment of disease stage can be made. During your scan, you need to remain completely still. Like a photograph, any movement can blur the images and make them difficult to see. The scanner is pretty quiet and may at times sound a little like the spin cycle on a washing machine. The gantry around the scanner is quite large and open at both ends. Some people may still feel a little anxious moving through the scanner. Rest assured that you're not alone. One of our team will be close by at all times. Once done, you are free to get changed back into your own clothing. We will monitor you for a short period following your scan and then remove the IV cannula. During this time, you will be offered some food, as you'll probably be pretty hungry by now. Once processed, the images will be sent to one of our radiologists for reporting, and then off to your referring doctor. If you've signed up to receive your results online, you should have access to your images within a day or two. At this point, you will be free to return home. As you will still be emitting a small amount of radiation, we ask that you restrict close contact with infants and pregnant women for the next few hours. Thanks for watching. We look forward to meeting you at one of our practices. For further information, please visit our website, queenslandxray.com.au.